Hey guys, so we got our bargain bead box in today, and the theme is citrus. So be prepared for lots of yellows and greens, and this is going to be a fun box to work with. So I cannot wait to get started on this, you guys. So I'm going to show you all the different things that come with it. There are 18 items for a value of $61. So I'm a little, like, it made me think of the coffee box, which was in November, but at the same time, I was a little worried about that challenge, but now this one, I'm ready to embrace it. So I'm going to show you lots of yellows and greens and different shades of those, and we have silver findings this month. So it says, when life gives you lemons, make jewelry. So we're going to make some jewelry. So I'm going to go through and show you each of the items one by one, and we're going to get started right now. All right, here we go. So this is Bargain Bead Box for February of 2020, and we're going to go ahead and get started on these items. So the first item is 40 pieces of 8mm leaf bead caps. So I just think these little guys are so cute. Look at the little leaves on there. Do you see that? So cute. See, it's like 4 little leaves. There you go. There's a good view. So really cute. So that's number 1. There's 40 pieces of them, so that means it go around 20 beads basically, unless you want to use them in different ways. So number 2 is 5 sets of 14 by 19mm smooth toggle clasps. So there's those. Nothing wrong with a good simple toggle clasp. Probably my favorite clasp. Alright, so number 3, we have 100 pieces of 4mm daisy spacer beads. There you go, just some simple daisy spacers. They are 4mm, so these are smaller. Alright, so number 4, got our first beads here. This is a 7-inch strand of 6mm faceted Malaysia jade, and these are quartz round beads. When they say Malaysia, that's the trade name for this high quality quartz, which they say is often dyed. So you can see it does have a nice little sparkle to it. It does have some very small facets on there, it looks like. Very pretty. So nice green color. Definitely very reminiscent of limes. I will agree with that. Alright, number 5, and this is our closest thing to a clear bead that we got, and this is 12 pieces of 10 by 9mm matte stripe crystal round beads in lemon chiffon AB. So if you've been, looking back at any of the videos, or you've been doing this, you might notice that these look very similar to some barrel beads that we got in the September box. And they had a John Quill AB finish, so they do look similar, but these are faceted, whereas those were barrel beads. And then these are just, I think they're a little more yellow, but you can see how they have the clear stripe through the middle, and then these have frosted stripes on the outside, and then the tops and the bottoms are clear. Whereas on the barrel beads, the entire ends were frosted. So slightly different, but still kind of the same. That same kind of look to it, but more sparkly. So I like that. Okay, so that was number 5. Number 6, these are really cute. And this is 20 pieces of 10mm lemon slices, and they're handmade polymer clay beads. So how cute are these little guys? Really cute. And then you can see they're drilled right through the center there. So these are going to be so cute, and they're polymer clay, so you can feel that they're a little tiny bit squishy. They're not, solid like a bead, but they're not like super squishy like Play-Doh. They definitely have some, they're definitely strong. They're not going to break or anything like that, but you can feel they do have a little tiny bit of a squish to them, but very, very cute. Those are awesome. Actually, I'm going to move these up here. There we go. All right. So, number 7, these are 2 pieces of 34 by 20 millimeter leaf chandelier components. So you can see they have these holes drilled into them down here. So you get 5 holes on each of them for chandeliers. So there's 2, so you can use them for earrings, or you can use them for, 2 different necklace pendants, or you could connect them together to make one larger focal. Honestly, I'm going to tell you guys, when I very first saw this, I really thought that was Mickey Mouse shape. Obviously, it's not. His chin is not that pointy, but that is exactly what it made me think of when I first saw it. But how cute are they? So, there's that. All right, and then our next piece is another silver piece, and this is 4 pieces of 25 millimeter triple leaf drops. So I just realized that it says 4 pieces on there. Guess what? I got a bonus. I got a 5th one. So they are triple leaf drops. You guys have to let me know below in the comments below if you guys got a 5th one also. Maybe it was a typo on the paper when we were supposed to actually get 5. So these are really cute, and I was just thinking, see how there's a hole in the middle there, so you can use these this way for a drop, but then you can also have connectors going through there also. So if you wanted to make this part of a necklace like this, you could have the other end of the necklace go through here and then hang stuff from here. So just an idea that I might look at, and there's 5 of them, at least I have 5 of them. So that could be earrings, and then bracelet and a necklace, something like that. So just my initial thought. All right, so number 9, we have an 8-inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal rondelle beads in a matte lemon chiffon AB. So they are matte, so they're not super shiny, but they do have the AB on there, which gives them a little tiny bit of a glimmer. So very pretty. All right, number 10, we have 10 pieces of approximately 10 millimeter lampwork glass round beads. So they're clear on the outside, yellow on the inside, kind of look like little lemons in there. So those are fun. Nice big hole on these. There you go. Okay, number 11 is a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter crackle agate beads in lemon meringue. So they are rounds, there's no faceting, but you can definitely see that there's a lot of variation to them. This one, you can see that actually has an extra little hole in there, so that's fun. I mean, they are natural stones, so you can see some of these are not clear whatsoever. There's a couple of solid ones in there. Lots of striations and natural markings to these. Very pretty though. And honestly, they kind of feel like lemons, the texture of them. Alright, so next we have 4 pieces. And again, it says 4 pieces, but I have 5 of Never Never Give Up charms. So again, you have to let me know if I just got a bonus box or if they made a mistake on the packing list and it should have said 5. So it says Never Never Give Up. If you remember, it said, when life gives you lemons, make jewelry. So why not make jewelry that says Never Give Up? All right, the next one here, number 13, is a top drilled yellow agate pendant. So you can see it's just a little bit see-through on that one. You have a little bit of a marking there in the middle. Kind of looks like a shape, like a little, I don't want to say a circle, it's more like a oblong. feel like you can see it pretty good right there. So that's pretty. I like it. It kind of almost makes me think of amber. It's just a little more yellow than an amber, but I think it goes nicely. Actually, kind of goes nicely with these colors here. So I like that. I like those together. All right, number 14, we have a 5.5 inch strand of lime green opaque glass beads. So these are just some standard green beads. Nice color of green, definitely very lime. Keeping with the citrus theme very well they are here. Alright, and then number 15 is, as usual, we always get 1 meter of jewelry chain. This is a 3x2 millimeter steel jewelry chain. There we go. No special chain, just some standard chain on this one. Okay, number 16 is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter Millefiori glass coin beads. So you can see there's a little design on there, the white and then the yellow. And honestly, I think this is a great way to tie the yellow and the green beads together. So this, using these in a piece would be a great way to be able to use, both of the colors, and, they would be tied around this one bead, and I just think that's a great way to tie them together. So I like that one a lot. All right, 2 left. So number 17, there are 2 pieces of 13 millimeter enameled brass lemon charms. So these are really cute. You can see like they have a little leaf on there. You see that? See if I can get my fingers out of the way. There you go. So they have a little tiny leaf on the top. That's really cute. And it does have the one loop on there. You can see it has a little stem sticking out. There you go. It's got the little stem sticking up next to the leaf. I can get it to focus here. There we go. So, really cute. About the size of like half of my pinky nail there. So not too huge. There's 2, so you can make earrings if you wanted. You just have them on charms, on anything you can come up with. Alright, and then the last item here is a 7.5 inch strand of yellow agate English cut faceted round beads. So I have actually never seen this cut before, so it's definitely a very interesting facet on here. So it's like basically there's a center line, but it's a little above center, and then you got triangles around the outside, and then some odd shapes down on the bottom. These look like diamonds. And then up top here. Yeah, can you see that? So, there you go. There's the shape on the top. And then it has the triangle right in the middle. So, never seen that cut before. It's called an English cut. Definitely pretty. Very sparkly. I like the colors. I like the color variation on these. So you have this one that's like almost clear. You got this one that has kind of like some orange spots in it. This one here is almost a green. So just a lot of color variation in these. Actually, I really like these. I think they're fun. And they are agate, so they're yellow dyed agate. Well, they don't say dyed, but basically. So you got yellow oh my goodness, yellow agate English cut faceted round beads. That's what they're called. All right, so there you go. So that was all 18 items. So I am looking forward to the challenge of working with these items. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to see what everybody comes up with. And I like all that we're dealing with silver, so it's my favorite color of finding to work with. So I'm excited, and I hope you guys are too, and I can't wait to come out with my finished jewelry update, and I can't wait to see everyone else's too. So thanks for tuning in, and if you have not decided to sign up for the Bargain Bead Box, I do highly suggest it. This collection might not be for everyone, but it's definitely a lot of fun to work with, and you get to learn a lot about different beads and techniques, and it forces you to deal with things that you would not normally go out and buy for yourself. So it's great if you want to expand your horizons and work with different things. And then usually they send you some findings with it, bead caps and toggle clasps and stuff like that. So I do have a promo code, it is SJS2 if you wanted to save $2 on your first month of your subscription. So it's normally $17.95 currently, so that would make the first month $15.95. In my opinion, it's a great deal. I would be buying beads anyway, and this forces me out of my comfort zone a little bit, so I think it's a great deal. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and comment below, and otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. All right, bye.